Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Reality Check with Chacha. You guys, you don't know how exciting it is to do this again. So first of all, I want to say Happy New Year. Yes, it's been an awesome year, and I know that you have the same thing to say. I'm so sorry I have to film this video today. There's been noise in my area for a while. I don't know what the chaos is all about, but you see, in this year we are not procrastinating. We are bringing you all the content. So first of all, I want to start as usual with saying thank you so much for the year 2023. You guys came through and you guys came correct. I just want to say thank you so much for my beautiful family here on YT. So when I started getting busy on YouTube, I was just saying, see, if I have just 12 people subscribed to my channel, I have hit jackpot, because my Savior Jesus Christ started with 12. So who am I? So guys, well, today we are 170 subscribers strong. Okay, so in today's video we are going to be talking about something really important. Okay, the most important key that you need is not MAC, not Estee Lauder, is not Fenty, not Prada, Gucci, branded clothes, expensive attire, or Bond Street. See, do not get me wrong, I have these high-end products, some of it in my kit. The reason I always say makeup artist is because that is what I do, and I can always use that as a point of contact to every other entrepreneur out there. So, but the essence of this video is, if you do a job that you are this close to your clients, maybe you are you're a hairstylist, a barber, a nail artist, you name it, whatever it is that you tend to people, you tend to, you're a human, you tend to come in close contact with people like a lot. You need to smell good, not these other things that are displayed on the thumbnail, or these other instances that I give, or all the high-end products. Guys, there are so many money that so many makeup artists have left on the table as a result of bad breath or body odor. You don't want to hear the way the clients explain or describe some makeup artists. It's so disheartening to know that this is the ordeal, this is what is going on. Some of them will not tell you, but if they ever find someone who is doing precisely the opposite, or who they experience the opposite, they would pour out their heart to the person. So the reason is, I always get tons of "you smell good" kind of comments or compliments. I mean, it's a compliment. I should bask in it. I should be glad about it, because a lot of people can attest to that. They will even come and say it in the comment section. So, but the thing is, a lot of times entrepreneurs, you know very well that you are this close to your customers. A lot of businesses are like this, and you do not want to pay attention to how you smell. How is that? Invest in your oral health. You want to make sure that you use a good toothbrush and a good toothpaste. See, you can go on and tell me that you brush your teeth every day, because you're an adult, you should do that, but you have to make sure that you are brushing correctly. Some people do not even know how to brush their teeth. Some don't know they have to flip the brush and brush the teeth, the upper part of your teeth. I don't know, I'm not dentist, so I cannot begin to give it to label it for you. Just here, some people don't know that they have to. You are collecting money for makeup, and you have agreed to do this job, and you're coming incorrect. If there's an English like that. And for days that you have early morning jobs, like those days that you have 6 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. I don't know the earliest you've ever gone to makeup job. For me, I've gone for 4 a.m. See, I have gone to do makeup for a client, and the first thing she told me why I entered was, thank you for using a body spray, because this is one of the things your people don't know how to use. Some of them even come in their car. According to some people, you are that wealthy, you are thriving in, you don't know how to invest in good smell, or is it you're not bathing properly? Because I don't know what the problem is, but let's start with you using the right perfume. See, if you're going to do makeup for your clients, please spray your body And for this, you have early morning job. And even if you are sure of your breath, there is no harm in being double sure of your breath. Use a mouthwash. You have brushed your teeth. It's early in the morning. What do you expect? And you could have been in the car driving yourself there, all in do by shutting your mouth. You have to shut your mouth for a while. Your breath is not going to be so fresh. And for some of you that you don't, sorry, my voice is going high because I don't understand. For some of you that you don't converse with your client, you're just mute. You close your mouth all through the session of the makeup, because I don't know what the reason will be, because I don't know why you're not conversing with your client. Makeup is a therapy, and you are having a therapy session with someone and you're not talking. And say, what is the problem? Okay, I'm not saying everybody must talk and all of that, but this is just to tell you that most of the time clients do not call you back just because of the crafts, because of your personality. How are you leaving them? How are you living there? What experience are you leaving them with? Are you leaving them with the experience that you don't know how to take your bath, or you do not know how to use a roll-on, or you smell really terrible? Guys, you want to invest in floral, fruity smell. You want to smell delicious when you're going to attend to your clients. Please, guys, let's put this in our to-do list. And even you have to go to another place to do a job after you have attended to a client or two in a particular area, and you have exercise and sweat, you have really sweaty glands, there's no harm in throwing body spray on your body again to top it all up. There's no harm in doing all of that. So guys, take these precautionary measures so that we don't leave money on the table. Let's do our part. Paul planted, Apollos watered, but guess who gave the increase? God. So don't let God be waiting to increase you and you have not planted and watered. Guys, let's do this right in the new year. So I don't know if this video helped you, or if you have any question or any contribution or suggestion, whatever it is. Nobody is an island of knowledge. And guys, do give me a thumbs up, drop a comment in the section, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Guys, please share this post. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. All my love.